Hey guys, today I'm going to make some air roasted potatoes and eggs in my Comfee oven. So let's get roasting. People have asked if my 10-inch cast iron skillet that I always used in my old Black & Decker oven fitted in this oven. It's like, yeah, of course. So I have 3 russet potatoes that I washed off here. Let me get these cut up. I cut those into bite-sized pieces. Now we'll get them seasoned up. A little bit of avocado oil, but you could use whatever kind of oil you want. Alright, a little of that, and then a little kosher salt. Got this big thing today. I usually use that other shaker I have. This thing's a little slower. I like my shaker better, but it needs to be refilled. Anyway, we got that, and then some Johnny's seasoned pepper. Besides pepper, that has sugar, red and green bell pepper, garlic, and onion in it. We'll get this all mixed up. And I'm finding that the air roast setting works better with this cast iron pan, when I use the cast iron pan, than the air fry setting. So I've only done this a couple of times, so we'll see how this works out. I have the oven rack down on the bottom, and I'm setting it to air roast at 450 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. The potatoes are starting to look pretty crispy, so I just shut that off at 24 minutes. I think those are done. What I usually do is crack the eggs on top and then put them back in the oven and make sort of like fried eggs. But I'm wondering if I can just scramble them right in the pan. I did one this way the other day, but see if I can do 2. That way I won't even have to put it back in the oven. Just something different to try. Now I'll just kind of take the spatula and scramble them up like that. And hopefully the pan will be hot enough that they'll cook through. If not, with 2 eggs, maybe I'll have to put them back for a minute. But I'll let them sit there for a minute and we'll see. That looks pretty good to me. I think this is going to work. Those eggs cooked fine without putting them back in the oven, but I kind of like the runny yolks, so just to give this a little bit more pizzazz, I'm going to add just a little bit of salsa there, and a little bit of sour cream in a squeeze bag. There we go. Since I was getting all fancy, I put a little green onion on top there as well. You can make good breakfast burritos out of this. Anyway, let's try a bite here. That turned out real good. My Black & Decker oven would take about 40 minutes to cook potatoes like that. Want to try a potato with some egg on it, Annie? This is not a very big one, but there you go. Well, at least you actually chewed that for a change. This oven cooks quite a bit faster than my other one, which is nice now that I'm getting used to it. In the beginning I was overcooking everything. And then last time I checked the price of it, it was $99 on Amazon. So, and it was $149 before that, so I don't know if they're having a special or what, but I'll put the link in the description. Anyway, thanks for watching, you guys. I'll see you next time.